Friends, as a business coach, lots of business leaders, business owners and the senior professionals ask one question from me. The question is that we are spending lots of money on the marketing, but still we are not able to get the desired result. When I go into the detail and analyze that why are they saying so and why are they not actually getting the desired result, then I generally come to know that they are actually failing on one critical aspect of marketing, and that critical aspect of marketing is the consistency. Marketing requires consistent steps to be taken in the various directions. Marketing is not something you do it today and you drop it tomorrow and after some time you again start doing it. Rather, marketing has to be done consistently for a very long time, so that people start knowing you, who is talking, what is talking, which is this organization, what are they producing, and what kind of quality they are delivering at the marketplace. So people start knowing you only after certain time. If you are inconsistent in marketing efforts, then people start knowing you and then you go away from the market. You are no longer marketing. So as a result of that, what happens that your entire budget on the advertisement, the entire budget on the social media marketing or whatever you have put in, actually that goes for a toss. So make sure that when you go onto the market planning, on the branding activity, you are actually doing the marketing for a very long time. As long as the business continue, the marketing efforts also continue.